Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies and tranquil weather currently across the region. Temperatures in the mid 40s, light winds. We'll see that changing once we move in the afternoon into the overnight hours with rain showers for the afternoon and then a good chance of rainfall with likely chances overnight and even a possibility of a very slight chance of a thunderstorm as well, with an area low pressure moving through the region, deepening as it moves through. We'll see a good chance of some heavier rainfall as well overnight. So looking like a good chance of seeing about a half to possibly 1 inch rainfall overnight. Even some locations could see that over an inch across the region. So looking at our current surface analysis, high pressure in store currently, a low over the deep south as well as an upper level low behind that. It's going to be moving towards the region. And with some energy from the northern jet stream going to provide a deepening area low pressure across the region for the overnight hours and then off the coast for the northeast states tomorrow, giving some of those locations off to our north as well as off to our north and east across New York City up into the big cities of Boston as well. A possibility of seeing a snowstorm for your Tuesday, but overall across our region, just going to see a rainfall event and going to see some windy conditions for our Tuesday as well. So looking at our current observation, overcast 1900 feet, light winds in the northeast at 3 knots, temperature 45 degrees and relative humidity at 93%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you see lots of clouds across the region. That's going to be the case for the remainder of the day today. And we'll see a possibility of shower moving through during the late morning into the early afternoon hours. Not going to see a lot of total precipitation with these showers, but we'll see a good amount of precipitation once we move into the overnight hours. And taking a look at the 3 kilometer AM model, you can see those showers for today, spotty in general. And then once we move past 8 p.m. local this evening, we'll see those rain showers increase in intensity and coverage as well. And once moved to about 3 to 4 o'clock local time, looks like we'll see a area low pressure moving through the region, a frontal boundary as well. And that's going to give us a good chance of seeing some rainfall as well as a possibility of some heavier rainfall, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. Once we move into Tuesday morning, we'll see some cooler air move back in the region behind this area low pressure. Not going to see any snowfall across our region for Tuesday as it appears right now. All that snowfall will be mainly north of the Mason-Dixon line of Maryland and Pennsylvania, as well as up into possibly seeing some wet snowflakes in northern Delmarva. But across our region, just going to see some possibility of some lingering showers Tuesday morning, and then for Tuesday afternoon, seeing some mostly cloudy skies and windy conditions. So looking at our risk chart for today, high around 50 degrees today, low tonight during the evening of 44, and temperatures rising overnight into the lower 40s, into the upper 40s to lower 50s. Our winds will be light this morning and then increasing during the evening hours, northeast 9 to 14 knots by the late evening hours, and then overnight seeing winds gusting up to 24 to 25 knots, and variable with direction northeast before that cold front or the air low pressure moves through the region, and then becoming southwest tomorrow morning briefly before northwesterly winds take over for tomorrow late morning into the afternoon hours. We'll see a chance of some low ceilings as well overnight, and that best chance of rainfall comes after 8 p.m., 20 local this evening. And we'll see those chances of some isolated scattered rain showers for today, but not much precipitation with that in general. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, lower ceilings throughout the evening hours. We'll see ceilings during the daytime hours with the work hours around 2,000 feet to 1,500 feet, and then becoming lower than 1,000 feet overnight, and possibly seeing a time period with that heavier rainfall below 500 feet, with a 10% chance of a thunderstorm between 2 local and 6 local Tuesday morning. Tomorrow morning, Tuesday, 8 local, we'll just see some low ceilings in the region around 800 feet, possibly down as low as 500 feet, with possibility of seeing a rain shower as well as seeing some mist across the region. Our tide's about 1 foot above normal. Looking at Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, cloudy and windy, scattered rain showers in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy in the afternoon, a high during the morning of 51, temperatures falling into low to mid-40s during the afternoon. We'll see that rainfall chance fairly likely in the morning. Not going to see a lot of precipitation with it, just some scattered and isolated rain showers. Windy conditions in the afternoon, seeing winds up to about 40 miles an hour, possibly 45 miles an hour. So seeing some windy conditions out of the northwest and seeing those low ceilings possibly in the morning. Tuesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, slightly breezy and cold, a low of 32. And for Wednesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, breezy and chilly, a high around 45 degrees. Winds will be gusting around 27 to 28 knots. So we'll see that wind advisory most likely for much of the day on Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, look like 7 days.